Artificial intelligence can answer plumbing customer questions by using chatbots and virtual assistants that are trained on common plumbing problems, pricing ranges, and scheduling information, so customers get instant answers any time of day instead of waiting for a callback. Think of it like having a super smart helper who has read thousands of plumbing manuals and customer conversations. And now that helper can talk to your customers instantly. When someone types in a question like, "Why is my water heater making noise?" the artificial intelligence looks at patterns from similar questions and gives a helpful answer right away. Here is something most people do not know. This kind of tool can also ask follow-up questions just like a real person would. So if a customer says, "My sink is leaking," it might ask where exactly the leak is coming from before giving advice. This makes the conversation feel more natural and helps the plumbing company figure out if it is a small fix or something that needs a technician right away. Another cool trick is that these systems can connect straight into a scheduling calendar, so while in answering questions, they can also book an appointment automatically. This saves so much time for small plumbing businesses that cannot afford a full-time receptionist. The best part is it works around the clock, so even at 2 in the morning when a pipe bursts, someone gets an immediate response instead of silence. One common mistake is business owners think artificial intelligence can replace a real plumber completely, but it should really just be used to answer basic questions and collect information before a human takes over for anything complicated. Another thing people overlook is not updating the artificial intelligence with new pricing or seasonal issues, like frozen pipes in winter, which can lead to giving customers outdated or wrong information, so it is smart to review and update the system every few months. A lot of folks also forget to make the tool sound friendly and human, because if it sounds too robotic, customers get frustrated fast, so adding a warm and simple tone makes a huge difference in customer trust. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job Bid Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.